welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a simple trick, a simple hack. I'm not a hacker, but it's a simple knowledge that might help you each time you find yourself in places of advantage. Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect to a Wi-Fi which has been passworded even within your workspace. This knowledge is important because sometimes you might be in your office and your source of internet is broken or is not available, and you have access to other systems that you probably might connect to, and these systems are passworded that you might not have access to them. So with this knowledge I'm going to share with you, if you come around such situation, you should be able to connect easily and also make provision for others to connect. It is a trick that will really help you in your offices. For instance, your source of network has been broken and you only have one source, and that source, there is no way you can connect multiple people to the source. But with this knowledge I'm going to show you, it will be very, very easy for you to connect and create more channels for others to connect. So let's get to work. Guys, you might happen to come to your office and you discover that you don't have data on your phone, and you have a system in your office that is normally connected to the company's internet. And most times, some of these systems, some of the internet services are passworded. You can easily see the Wi-Fi, but it will be very, very difficult for you to connect to that. Then what is the simplest way to connect to this without even asking for the password? Now you have a system in your office or in an office that you are familiar with, that you can work with, and you can work with the system. You have a system that is already connected to the LAN network, and you want to use that network to connect to your phone or make provision for others to connect to the network. You don't need to ask for the password. All you simply need to do is, if you are using Windows 10, you must make sure that your computer is connected, have an internet connection already. As you can see here, it is connected, and it is connected through the LAN connection. So once you have it here, all you need to do is come to the start icon here, click it, click this settings icon. It will open this page for you. After opening this page for you, all you need to do is go to network and internet. You click on network and internet, it will open this tab for you. On the left hand tab, you will come down to the second to the last, you see mobile hotspot. You click on mobile hotspot and you will see share my internet connection with other devices. Now the computer is telling you to share the network it has already acquired from the LAN connection to others, make it visible for others to connect. Now this computer now serves as a dispatcher, where the network it has received, it can easily dispatch it for others to connect. So all you need to do is click the button. It is now off. You click it on. You on it. Automatically, once it is on, the Wi-Fi of this system is already on. All you need to do is to go on your system and click on your Wi-Fi to give you the available Wi-Fi. How do you know the network from this system? All you need to do is come below here. You see network name, desktop BRS 9E0059541. So this is what you'll be searching for on your mobile phone. So once you see this, you click it. The next thing you want it to demand for a password, and this is the password here. You will definitely locate the password around here. What you need to do, simply insert the password on your phone, and voila, your phone is connected to the internet without asking or demanding for the password from the author of the network. This is very, very simple. Now, wherever you find this advantage, you can take advantage. So it's just a simple trick. It's just a matter of understanding. This provision has been made, but due to our hurriness or our nonchalant attitude, we don't deem it necessary to study the system to understand them. But today I think it is very, very easy. It has been brought to our notice, and each time we come around such situation, we'll be able to take advantage. Please, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe. Subscribe. It will not take you anything. It will not waste your time. It will not take anything. Just to click the subscribe button, and that is all. As I'm talking to you now, just click it. It is very, very easy and very, very simple. Please do not forget to click the like button if you like this video, and do not forget to turn on your notification, because this channel has come to help you develop your technical and technology abilities. So I remain your friend, Mr. Zax of O Space Institute.